I'm going to make another video here. This is the back of the new couch. And a little walk around here with the new couch in the daytime. And this is the waterfall wall, which we're still working on. Working out the bugs. Got a few bugs with it. This will be the other half of the couch here. You can see the window. We're working on this one now. Counter. Coming together slowly. Actually, it's coming together fairly quickly. Actually, in reality. And you can still see the view out there. It's getting there. Pretty soon it'll be the house. I spend most of my day up here every day, and now I like it a lot. That gives you an idea of the wall, how it looks and how big it is. You can kind of get an idea like this, how big it is and how big the couch is. Anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoy the videos. Leave me a comment, do the subscribe thing, thumbs up, all that good shit. Bye.